growing up, life was hard. Do you remember when you met your significant other and it was like, oh my God, oh my God, hi significant other, it's so nice to meet you. Oh my God, you want to get married? Oh my God, I can't wait to get married. I'm getting married! Woo! I'm getting married. I'm getting married. Dun, 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 dun. I never pronounced you husband and wife. I'm married. Go away! I can't stand you. God, I can't stand you. Can you believe he did that? Oh my God, I can't stand you. Oh, I love you now. Let's get pregnant. Yes, let's get pregnant. I'm having a baby. Let's get pregnant. Get out of my stomach. Get out. Get out. I don't want to have this baby. Oh, the baby is born. Aren't you so cute? You got to go to school. You got to go to school. Get out of the house. Right? Am I wrong? Life is dun, 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 dun. Life is hard. It's always up and down. So is your body. So is your body. There's going to be days where you want to have a donut. There's going to be days when you want to have pizza. There's going to be days where you should just have chicken. There's going to be days where you should just have broccoli. There's going to be days where you get sick. There's going to be days where you're healthy. There's going to be days when you just want to kick your kids. There's going to be days where you want to punch your husband. I once threw a phone at my husband a bajillion years ago. It's life. Okay, fine. Get divorced. The grass ain't greener on the other side. There's going to be more life. More life. It just doesn't stop. Okay? It doesn't stop. And let me tell you something. Life is only getting harder and harder and harder because of social media, because of media. When I grew up in Russia, we had 3 channels. Saturday morning was cartoons, and then at 11 o'clock was Michael Jackson, fake MTV, right? And look at us now, iPad, schmipad, Mac, PCs, iPhone 13. One person's phone's bigger. The kids, why does he have more chocolate than me? Why does he have more pancakes? It's not fair. It's not fair. This morning my kids are watching TV, eating yogurt, and they're going, can I have a bagel? While I'm trying to feed myself. Put your uniform on. Put your pants on. Dude. Okay? Then Catherine, I don't know if she's here. Catherine, if you ever watch this video later, I really appreciate you. She messaged me yesterday. She was new in our group. And she says to me, I really thought you were so tough and hard when I first started watching your videos. But now as the weeks goes on and I'm getting to know you better, wow, you're human. Yes, I'm human. Am I tough? Yes, I'm tough. Because guess why I'm tough? Guess why I'm tough? Because of my mother. Why are you the way you are? Because of your mother. Because of your mother. Why are you who you are? Why are you overweight? Because you ate too much. Why are you tired? Because you don't eat healthy. Why are you in pain? Because you don't exercise. I mean, I don't need to tell you any of this. I don't need to tell you any of this. So I am who I am because I am who I am, and that's what works for me. And then this is such a challenging life of mine to drive you to keep going. Yesterday, another girl messaged me. She's like, I really want to join your group. I want to join your workouts, but I'm worried that the first day I'm going to get sore. Then I don't work out the next day. Well, that's the whole point that I'm here live, because I'm sore too and I'm still here. That's the point. Okay, so you don't want to join because you think you're going to be sore and you're not going to work out again. So if you know that about yourself, do you want to continue your life and be that way? Or do you want to change? Why did I do this? Because I wanted to change. I didn't want to keep feeling the pain that my mom caused. I didn't want to keep feeling overweight. I didn't want to keep feeling any of these things. So what did I do? I went on a journey to change, not everything, can't change everything, but to change some things so when I wake up in the morning, I feel better about myself. That's what this is about. I sleep in my waist trainer because it makes me feel good in the morning when I see myself tighter. I wear my sweat belt to do cardio Because I grew up thinking, well, if you didn't have a good sweat, that means you didn't lose any weight, because that means you didn't have a good workout. So I started wearing the sweat belt. Notice how much more I'm sweating, and that makes me feel better. I wear my waist trainer for lifting weights, because waist trainer for lifting weights, when it holds in your waist, it helps you to lift more weight. And when you lift more weight, you burn more fat. And when you burn more fat, you look good, you look better. And when you burn more fat, there's no belly fat, and your belly fat goes away, and then you feel better. It's all about what makes me feel better, and then I drive you to help you find your feel better. If you don't want to get on the scale, don't get on the scale. Take pictures. If you don't want to take pictures, don't take pictures. If you want to get on the scale, get on the scale. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Listen, I'm never gonna be the perfect coach for you, because you are you, and I can't see you. I don't live with you. I am not in your bed. I am not your sister. I am not your mom. I am not your brother. I am not in the passenger seat while you drive your kids to school. I am me driving my life, driving a school bus to a healthy, happy, as best as I can life. And you are along for the ride, trying to find your way, to find what works for you, what makes you happy, what makes you feel good, what gives you a peace of mind, what helps you eat chicken, what helps you eat broccoli, what helps you work out. And we're doing it together. That's it. So if something I say you don't like, well, it's no big deal. Then find your way, right? I can only do what works for me. And so I wanted to post this on Instagram too, because that is who I am. Yesterday, you guys on YouTube saw me cry. I missed my mom. I mean, like, I'm human too. Life is what it is. And I had potato chips, or whatever the hell you were, earlier today, because my kids drove me nuts. And here, I am still, because they haven't left my head yet, okay? But as soon as we start working out, they go away, okay? Yes, life is hard, balance, thank you, Brandy. Do you know what I'm saying? So this goes to everyone who's like, I fell off track. This goes to everyone, oh, this is really hard. Yes, this is hard. Burpees are hard. Jumping jacks are hard. Leaving your house to go walk outside for 10 minutes is hard. Stretch marks are hard. Overweight is hard. Being sick is hard. Cancer is hard. Marriage is hard. Kids are hard. Shit. Changing diapers was hard. Breastfeeding was hard. What is easy? What is easy, people? What is easy? Anybody else want to teach class tonight? Today? I'm just going to sit here and do nothing like my 8-year-old. Because this is pretty easy. And you know what he says to me when I said to him, I'm going to sit and do nothing? Then he says to me, well, then you're not a mommy. Oh, yeah? And then I said to him, well, then you're not a son. And he goes, I'm not a son. He meant like he's not the son. I mean, seriously, it's hard. Yeah. Welcome to Earth. It's hard. Everything's hard. Oh my God. Drinking water is hard. Eating chicken is hard. Waking up in the morning is hard. Anyway, everything is hard. But you know what? The more practice we all have, the easier it gets, right? So pick your battle, pick your poison, and don't sweat the small stuff. Amen. Well, let's get to work.